Under the heading of biological evolution, it has been explained that how do evolution of a species has occurred, how do it has been favored. So for it, certain procedure has been discussed here, which has just resulted in the evolution of that particular species in that particular zone of the earth. Now, what are these particular events or the particular things which has supported the evolution of life on our planet Earth? These are natural selection. Here, natural selection means you can say survival of the fittest, those who can survive with the changing environment of our nature. These are supported there, while those who cannot adapt themselves with the changing environment surrounding, they have just got extinct. That is a natural selection. Then the another thing was adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation means within the same geographical region, uh, the same organism has evolved different in a different direction. Why? On the basis of availability of the resources, it has just modified itself, as we have studied with regarding to Darwin finches, Australian marsupials, with reference to placental mammal. These all have referred to the adaptive radiation. The next thing is here that in Darwinian theory, that means in the theory of Darwin, two things are emphasized which has resulted in the evolution of species. The two things which are emphasized there, which has resulted in the evolution of a species, these two things are branching descent and natural selection. What is branching descent and what is natural selection? Natural selection we are studying since starting of the chapter. What is this natural selection? But branching descent means the organism had the same ancestor, but it has just modified, or you can say it had just grown into different direction. Like we say, the present days mammal had their ancestor in the form of shrew. जैसे आप चूहा देखते हो ना, वैसे छोटा सा certain organism was there that was called shrew. From that, different line of mammals has evolved, and now you can see how many varieties of mammals are there on planet Earth. So that is called as a branching descent. That means one ancestor will be there and it will evolve into different forms on the planet Earth. This is called branching descent. The next thing is there, apart from the Darwinian theory of natural selection and branching descent, one more concept was given by Lamarck. What Lamarck has said? Lamarck has said that the evolution of a species has occurred on the basis of use and misuse or disuse of particular organ. According to this theory, he has taken example of giraffe. What he has just said in this theory, he has said that during what happened to giraffe, they were of that of the size of the horse. Now what had happened, as they were grazing on the field, whole grass of the field has got finished. At that time what happened, they just start grazing those trees which were a bit taller, and they start raising their neck region in order to feed that leaves of those trees. Now what happens, it has resulted in that increasing in the size of their neck and the formation of those giraffe which we can see on the present day. So at that time, two kind of giraffe has just got modified. One with the long neck, who has just tried to take the leaves of the taller plants also, while the other species which were not having that much of taller neck. So among them, which has survived, which has taller neck, because they can graze on the grass which is present on the field, as well as they can graze on the, they can just have those leaves which are present on the trees. So what has happened, their survival was favored, while those who were having the normal neck size like that of horse, they could not survive, because when the grass or the plants of field area has got finished, they didn't had any option to eat. So this theory was given by Lamarck. Later on, many scientists has just disproved this theory of Lamarck, but it is the concept which is given by Lamarck. Then it is given here, evolution, one line is given in a book that is so much important. Evolution, process, consequences of natural selection. Evolution is, you can say it composed of two parts. It is, first of all, we can say evolution is a process, gradual changes in the structure and function of a particular species to favor its survival. Plus, we can say evolution is also the result of consequences of natural selection. Natural selection has resulted in the evolution of certain species, like it is said dinosaur after that huge that asteroid something has this fallen over the earth, which has resulted in the extinction of dinosaurs because of excessive smoke or volcanic eruption, earthquakes, such kind of natural calamities has resulted in the extinction of dinosaurs. So they have got extinct, but while the other animals had survived. We can see how many varieties are there. So what has happened? Natural selection has allowed survival of certain species which can adapt itself to that scenario which was prevailing at that particular time or now, and while those who cannot just adjust with that, they have got extinct. So this is told in the theory of evolution process plus consequences of natural selection. Now what is just things which are just helping the organism to survive in a particular area? So it is given inheritable variation, that means variations which are occurring in the body but they can be inherited from one generation to another. Suppose any variation has occurred, that organism can survive at 50 degrees Celsius. 50 degrees Celsius, those who are sensitive to temperature. Now what has happened to them? This variation has occurred to the organism but it is not passing to the progeny. Then that organism will survive but its progeny will not survive and their coming generation will not survive. So variation should occur, it should be favorable and as well as it should be inheritable. That means it can pass from one generation to another. Then the next thing is given better resource utilization. Better resource utilization means the things which are available at that time, they can utilize that particular thing in a more proper way so that they can survive. Suppose one bacteria is there, it can survive one nutrient medium. But in the case of the lack of that nutrient medium, that bacteria should have the ability to shift to the other mode of nutrition also. So that means it is just doing the better resource utilization. If the particular resource is unavailable, then it is making itself to survive whatsoever resource available to them. So this is the concept of biological evolution of life on earth, which involves natural selection, fitness of species, adaptive radiation. Then this concept branching descent has occurred in that. Then evolution has just favored them. Evolution process has favored them. Inheritable variations.